Hi everybody, today at Fizys Kitchen I'm gonna show you how to make the best hot chocolate. In this video I'm making 2 cups of hot chocolate, and for that I'm using dark chocolate and it has sea salt with some nuts. This one is a 4 ounces of chocolate bar and I'm gonna use only half of it. Make sure you finely chop the chocolate bar so it can easily melt in the drink. Now I'm adding 2 cups of whole milk in a pot on medium heat. And you can use skimmed milk, you can use coconut milk, you can use almond milk. It's completely up to you. Every version is gonna be delicious. I'm adding 1 tablespoon of cocoa powder, and you can add more for rich flavor. Whisk it gently as milk starts to warm up. Make sure there is no lump left in milk. And now it's time to add your sweetener, and I'm using 1 tablespoon of honey, but you can use maple syrup, you can use regular sugar, it's completely up to you. And it's up to you if you would like to add more sugar. And since I don't want to waste any food, so I'm mixing it with my measuring spoon. Whisk it gently on low-medium heat, and now it's time to add the chocolate chunks into the drink. And since the chocolate chunks has nuts as well as sea salt, so I'm not adding any additional sea salt or nuts into my drink. But if your chocolate does not have sea salt or nuts, it's completely up to you, up to your taste if you would like to add sea salt or any nuts into your drink. Whisk it gently on low-medium heat until the desired consistency achieved. So now it looks like the chocolate melted right away and the color is getting dark. So keep whisking on simmer. So now this step is pretty optional, but I would like to add some whipped cream into my drink. And I'm gonna blend it until it turns out fluffy and a little bit thick. So now it's time to enjoy the hot chocolate, and I cannot wait to drink it all. This looks so amazing and thick. And now it's time to add the whipped cream on top of your hot chocolate. So yummy. And on top of it, I'm adding a little bit of cocoa powder. Thank you so much for watching my video, and stay tuned for more fun-filled recipes. Thanks. Bye-bye.